Maternal 2, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, and today are you happy? Or are you sad? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh yes? Yes, so nice. So, remember yesterday we saw the farm animals, remember? So, I have here my friend, the cow. Yes, yes, say hello for our friends. Hello, everyone. Yes, yes, hello. Look at my nose. My nose, it's a big nose. Yes, I have a big nose. How are you? Are you fine? Oh, I'm fine. Thank you. Moo. Moo. Yes, she's a nice girl. Yes, she's a cow. A cow. And the cow is a farm animal. Yes, a cow is a farm animal. What else? I have the cow. I have sheep. Can see? The sheep. Bah. Bah. What else? I have the rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. What else? Huh? Yes, the horse. The horse. We have the horse too. And we have the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, it's a pig. Oh, it's a beautiful guy. I love him. Oh, oink, 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 oink. Oh, look at my nose. My nose. Yes. Oh, my eyes. Yes, and my ears. Ears, ears. My eyes, my nose, my mouth, my ears. Yes, yes. He loves to sing. Yes, guy. Yes, he loves to sing. So stay here with me. So, okay. But today we are going to practice the vocabulary. The words we saw. Let's go. Come with me.
Quack, quack. Oink, oink.
So let's go to the farm. Yes? Okay, let's go.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see?
So, what do you see? What animals do you see?
A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse, a pig, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear?
What do you hear?
Woof, woof.
Meh. Moo. Let's hear it.
A cow. A dog. Quack, quack, quack. A duck. A horse. Oink, oink, oink. A pig. Baa. A sheep.
see? And did you listen? Yes? What did you listen? The cow? Moo. The cow says moo. It's a cow. Stay here. The rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Cock-a-cock-a. The rooster. Or chicken, okay? Rooster is the boy. And chicken is the girl. Okay? Nice. And the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Yes, nice, Bob. Boy. And the sheep. Ba, ba. And the horse. Neigh, 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 neigh. It's a horse. It's a horse. Yes, so it's easy, no? So bye-bye, boys and girls, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Night.